Using your inhaler with a mouthpiece chamber. Sit up straight or stand when taking the medication. It's important to use your inhaler with the chamber correctly to get your medicine. The following steps outline how to use your inhaler with a chamber. These are shortened use instructions. Always read the complete instructions that come with your AeroChamber Plus FlowView Anti-Static Valved Holding Chamber, AVHC, and the instructions supplied with the inhaler. Make sure that the chamber is correctly assembled. Typically, you should shake the inhaler for 5 seconds, at least 3 times, but refer to your inhaler instructions to be sure. Remove the cap from the inhaler. Place the mouthpiece of the inhaler into one end of the chamber. Place your mouth around the chamber mouthpiece. Place your hand with index finger on top of the canister and thumb on the bottom. Breathe out. Press down the top of the inhaler only once. Breathe in and hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds, or breathe slowly 2 to 3 times. Slow down if you hear the whistle sound. It means you're inhaling too quickly. If prescribed 2 puffs, wait 30 seconds and repeat steps 2 through 9. Learn more at www.monaghanmed.com/aerochamber. For complete instructions, please refer to instructions for use on the website.